Welcome. ITI Nigeria is the umbrella body for all registered national and international theater associations in the country. This is a country of varied cultures.
We bring you fraternal greetings from ITI Nigeria. 2020 has been a daunting period for all facets of the arts in Nigeria, especially since the first COVID-19 lockdown commenced on the 21st of March 2020. Most of our art organizations were just commencing the year's activities when the lockdown commenced. But we have been resilient, and we are grateful that most of our art organizations will survive this tumultuous period. As we grapple with our craft and its dependence on audiences consisting of people of all walks of life, we are optimistic that the coming year will hold abundant blessings and hope for humanity.
There must be a solution. We cannot just accept that, things will just be the way it has been the past 3 months.
In the outgoing year, some of the activities our art organizations have been involved in have ranged from the World Theatre Day 2020 celebrations, theatre festivals, Zoom interactions, new writing, playwriting schedules, online performances, radio dramas, online play readings, online and physical collaborations between Nigeria and international theatres. In 2021, most of us have rolled out ambitious programs and projects ranging from physical performances, collaborations, international theatre festivals, and these physical interactions will likely see the decline in Zoom and other online activities as far as the theatre is concerned.
When your daughter now, she dey university. Unilag? Uni-Petro. So, what is she dey study? She dey study lawyer. Which level she dey? I don't know, but I know say she not dey your level.
We are indeed hopeful that 2021 will be a year full of creative intensity, making up for the loss of most months in 2020. However, despite this good and uplifting news from ITI Nigeria, most of the interventions going on in the creative sector is being largely financed by individual promoters and funders. It is almost equal to bootstrap operations that has seen the demise of some of our creative industries in 2020. With no endowment fund for the arts or the creative sector, each organization has to look out for itself and fund its own operation. We will definitely welcome any intervention from more buoyant associations or networks that will be willing to intervene in this very vibrant but financially deprived sector. We thank you all for your time and for listening to us from ITI Nigeria, and we look forward to fruitful sessions.
Well, on behalf of ITI Nigeria, I wish you a very eventful General Assembly and a successful 2021.
No tomorrow, On your believer. No tomorrow, On your believer. If live wonder. If you're gonna go. On a must and you also. Madam, do I go also? And you got one and you also. You don't wonder. As a man, you got one and you also. And I'm